Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add watermark for taking photos in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, I open camera in your phone and I click on the shutter button and open the picture that I took, and now this photo has no watermark. If you would like to have for watermark for photos that you are taking using your camera, then what you have to do is just go to the camera first and click on the settings icon here. This is camera settings, and here you will find watermark. Just click on it. By default it is turned off. Okay, so now you have to click on turn on so that you can set your own watermark. Here click on this edit button so that you can set your watermark. Okay, the first one is model name. Model name means iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay, here already it is turned on. If you would like to turn it off, just click on this button. Okay, then date and time. Date and time will also be printed along with your watermark. Just turn it off if you don't like. Okay, and if you like to display your current location, click on this so that you can turn on location. If you don't want, just cancel. Okay, click on custom text. Here you can include your watermark, actual watermark, that is your business name or your friend name or your name or your daughter name or whatever you would like to display on your photo. Just here type. Okay, here just I type my website called www.facultyon.com. facultyon.com. Okay, and after typing your required text, just click on save, and yes, it has been saved now. Now go back and shoot your picture. I am going to shoot this picture. This picture will have the watermark that I have added now. Okay, see here in the bottom left side you will see the watermark. Okay, see www.facultyon.com is printed. Okay, also you can get border watermark, like see, go to the camera again and open the settings and go to watermark, and here other watermark options, other designed watermark is showing here, border watermark. This is called border watermark. Okay, then yes, just edit this border watermark, and this is the border background. Okay, see the preview, it will be showing like this, and here just you can turn on or turn off model name, date and time, like you have done for previous text watermark. Okay, and here also you can give your current location, otherwise turn it off. Okay, yes, now take a picture. And open the picture that you took. See the border now. Okay, see. So in this way you can easily do watermark, okay, for your photos. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.